Good morning, all the aspirants of NET-JRF Environmental Sciences, GATE Environmental Sciences, and all the other entrances which are related to environmental sciences. So today we are sharing a very special story of one of our star achiever, Tanya Sharma. She has done her BSc in Life Sciences from Kalindi College, DU. Subsequently, she did her Masters in Natural Resource Management from Guru Gobind Singh University, IP, right, or Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Dwarka. And she was preparing in offline as well as live online program for NET-JRF with us in environmental sciences. In that series, she qualified NET-JRF in environmental sciences, and she was preparing for the interview and the proposal in all the institute with the team of A.S.S Science Foundation. In that series, she secured a final selection in the PhD program at Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhopal, at the Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences. For such a remarkable feat, our entire team would like to congratulate Tanya Sharma for such a milestone, and we would like to wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. A.S.S Science Foundation at present is offering various programs in the field of environmental sciences, such as NET-JRF December 2023 preparation in environmental sciences in offline mode at our Delhi center, in which the weekday and weekend batches are available. Same goes with the live online program, where the classes are very comfortable and they are done in the evening hours, so that if the office going or the working women also not get affected along with the student. Anyone in M.SC first, second, third, fourth semester, the pass out people can join hand. We also offer correspondence with video program, where the things goes at the convenience of the student. They can study at any time of the hour, whenever they wish and they get time. Apart from that, correspondence program with the study kit and test series is also available. The institute is also offering the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering, GATE Ecology Evolution. Along with that, we are also offering the master's level preparation in life sciences and environmental sciences for all the exams. Institute is nowadays also offering a very good course on data analysis in environmental sciences, which will help the student to get the jobs in the market as well as to bridge up the gap in their PhD program. So the people and who are interested, they can reach us. Along with that, a very special initiative have been started, which we have said that internship program, in which the various partners have come together along with the A.S.S Science Foundation, such as Greenskill and all the other institutes near about, in which 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, 6 month, and 1 year internship program is there under the mentorship of the scientist B and all the other profile people who are there to help out the student. So with this, we would like to congratulate Tanya Sharma for such a remarkable feat. So those who wish to learn the subject from the people who are pioneer in the field from last 12 years, the institute is doing national record in the national level exam, and the alumni are at the best place in the country as well as abroad. So the choice is yours. You can reach us on the given numbers as well as through our website, WhatsApp page, Instagram page, YouTube. Thank you.